past videos, we talked about going through your closet, spring cleaning, how to separate things that are no longer in style anymore, how to separate things that need to be altered, and how to separate things that are still good, okay? Those supporting videos are down here below, so check those out first, okay? So now that you've done that, we're going into our closet. This is what I do every year. This is how I personally go through all my stuff every year. There are things that I've had there for 2-3 years and I say, I love it, but then I never wear it, so finally I get rid of them. They just collect dust, they're no good to you, just get rid of them and donate them, okay? So now we're in your closet, you've identified the ones that fit you well, okay, that do not need any attention. If you want to bring these in to have us look at them, to refresh them, to press them, or even give you some opinion on it, that's fine, bring those in. These here are things that you've identified already from the previous videos that you say need some attention, need some alterations to them. So you put those aside. You have some jackets here, you have some pants, some shirts even. We can adjust these, okay? So bring these in. We can give you an idea of what it would cost or what we can or cannot do. And we can even tell you, hey, you know what, I wouldn't put the money into it, let's get rid of them, okay? So now your closet is clean, it's very cathartic. You feel better about it. You get a nice spring clean in there and ready to go for your spring closet. So if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them. You can also check out a lot of the new styles we have at davidecoutinho.com. And remember to always, always dress well.